Look at the sheer scale of the physical world, from the jagged peaks of a crystalline mountain range to the crashing waves of an ocean. Reality presents itself in an overwhelming variety of forms. To make sense of this, we have to start with a scientific baseline. All of these forms are made of matter, which we define strictly as any physical entity that possesses mass and occupies space. But knowing that something is matter doesn't tell you how to categorize it. The infinite diversity of everyday materials makes intuitive sorting impossible. You cannot group things by color, texture, or origin. Chemists solve this problem by ignoring the macroscopic surface. They impose order by looking exclusively at internal composition and the way microscopic particles interact. To understand the materials that build the universe, we have to apply a single rigorous blueprint, one that classifies every substance based entirely on how its individual atoms are bound together. This classification diagram shows the definitive map used by chemists to decode physical reality, starting with matter at the very top. Right away, the map forces a foundational binary question that governs the entire system. Can the material be physically separated? Physical separation means pulling a material apart into distinct components without altering their chemical identities. If the answer is yes, the material falls into the mixtures category. Here, components are merely blended together, occupying the same space but keeping distinct atomic structures. If the answer is no, the material drops into the pure substances category. In this branch, the composition is permanently locked in place. This single logic gate acts as the ultimate divider between things that are physically combined and things that are chemically bound. Let's look closer at pure substances. These are materials possessing a fixed, uniform composition and entirely distinct, unvarying chemical properties. This microscopic model shows exactly why. At the atomic level, pure substances arrange themselves into highly predictable, locked structures, like this tightly packed crystalline lattice. Pure substances subdivide into two specific categories. The first is elements. Elements are the simplest chemical forms of matter. They cannot be broken down into anything simpler by further chemical means. This stability comes straight from particle physics. Elements are specific, stable configurations of fundamental particles, quarks bound together to form protons and neutrons, which are then orbited by leptons, specifically electrons. The second subcategory is compounds, shown in the center of the diagram. This illustrates how compounds represent two or more elements chemically bonded in strict proportions. This follows a mathematical formula, like H2O for water or NaCl for sodium chloride. When elements bond chemically, they create a new substance with properties entirely alien to the original ingredients. Combining highly reactive sodium metal with toxic chlorine gas, for instance, magically yields completely edible table salt. The definitive hallmark of a pure substance is that separating it requires breaking actual atomic bonds through chemical reactions. You can never sort a pure substance by physical means. We see the exact opposite behavior when we shift to the mixtures branch of the matrix. Mixtures are variable physical blends of two or more substances where no chemical bonds are formed. This diagram categorizes mixtures based on phase uniformity. On the left, a heterogeneous mixture is a non-uniform blend where materials separate, like heavy sand settling beneath water. On the right, a homogeneous solution has molecular clusters perfectly distributed, creating a uniform composition. This uniform phase is established by the physical interaction between a solute, the material that gets dissolved, and a solvent, the material doing the dissolving. These phases are not limited to liquids. As these cutaways demonstrate, mixtures occur across all states of matter, spanning from solid metal alloys to liquid solutions, all the way to the gaseous atmosphere we breathe. Because mixtures are merely physical overlaps of matter, the individual substances within them stubbornly retain their original independent physical properties. This retention of physical properties solves a massive practical challenge in industry, isolating pure resources from complex, naturally occurring mixtures. Chemists achieve this isolation by exploiting the physical differences between the mixed substances. If the components have different physical sizes, densities, or boiling points, they can be untangled. Filtration separates heterogeneous mixtures by particle size, forcing them through a mesh where small particles slip through and larger solids are trapped. For homogeneous solutions, distillation relies on differing boiling points. The substance with the lower boiling point vaporizes first, leaving the rest behind. Crucially, the heat added during distillation only breaks the weak intermolecular attractions holding the mixture together. It does not break the fixed chemical bonds of the compounds themselves. Physical separation is never an act of creation. It is merely the systematic unblending of matter into its pre-existing pure components. Looking back at the complete classification chart, we see how this matrix logically scales from macroscopic observations down to atomic logic. This exact logic dictates modern chemical engineering, guiding everything from mixing uniform intravenous saline solutions in hospitals to isolating bedrock elements. Consider the technology sector. Engineers take raw, heterogeneous quartz mixtures and physically separate and chemically refine them down to a pristine, 100% pure element, the silicon wafer. Or look at pharmaceutical drug synthesis, where scientists rely on the rules of compounds to lock elements into exact, non-variable molecular formulas that interact predictably with the human body. These high-tech applications happen on a massive industrial scale, but they operate entirely on the exact same principles of matter established by chemists centuries ago. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the hardware we build are all bound by these compositional rules. Mastering the rigid boundaries between elements, compounds, and mixtures provides the framework needed to deconstruct and re-engineer the material reality of the universe.